everyone, welcome to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. How's everyone doing today? Today I want to show you my Super Mario 3D Perlers collection. So these are the ones I made for Super Mario games so far, and they're super cute, and I bring them to a lot of places. If you follow me on IG, so you can see the pose, like where I take them to. Super fun. So today I'm gonna show you each one of them. Before we start, if you're new here, thank you so much, and I hope you will like my video and subscribe my channel so you will see more videos like this. And I also have tutorials so you can make your own 3D perlers. And if you are already my subscriber, thank you so much for all your support. I'm so excited that you're here watching my video. So let's get started. Subscribe my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, so earlier I forgot to show you guys this one, the Super Mario donut. So I'm gonna show you the tutorial in a little bit. This one is super cute, you can see. Alright, so stay tuned, watch until the back, and I'm gonna show you this one. And today I have Kings here, my baby. So he's gonna show us all the characters. Because I don't know everything, but he plays the game every single day, so he's gonna help me out. Alright, so you ready, Kings?
Yeah.
Okay, so how about we start with Super Mario?
Mario.
Yeah. What do you like about him?
That he jumps.
Oops, he jumps, and what does he do?
He finds out Goombas.
Uh-huh.
And saves the princess.
Okay. Then how strong he is? Hmm? He's bad?
No, I said fast.
He's bad. He's kind of tiny, right? He's kind of like short compared to Luigi. They're like different size, you know. But here in the 3D Perler, they look very close. Like, can't really tell the difference. Maybe Luigi is a little bit taller, I feel. You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, just slightly taller, if you want to compare, right?
Right.
Okay, all right. Next, what are we gonna talk about?
Yes.
What is this called?
Piranha.
What is it again?
Piranha Plus.
Whoa, so what does it do?
It is Mario.
It's Mario? And how do you avoid?
By jumping on where it's going to stand.
Like right here?
On the pipe. Or just jump over it.
Or just jump over?
Or in the new Super Mario, just spin on top of it.
Uh-huh, so just jump over it, right? Or wait until it get under the pipe and we can jump over the pipe?
Yeah.
Sounds good. I like that. All right, so they're not for staying on the ground, right? They're always falling. I don't know why. Okay, so him, the shy guy.
Yeah.
What's special about him? Because he always is running around and like hitting people.
Yeah.
What else does he do?
In Paper Mario, he sucks the ink out of you.
The ingel? What does that mean?
Like the color.
Okay.
Like when you die,
Mhm.
he sucks it out of you.
Okay. Oh, okay. That's good to know because I have no idea. I play him, I saw him before, but I don't know characters listing about him, right? Alright, so our famous enemies, what do they call?
Goombas.
Goombas. What do you know about him?
That they could be stomped.
Uh-huh. But they're very easy to kill, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like them though?
Yeah.
Alright, so we also have the mushrooms here. So seems like they're on the same family. I don't know if they're on the same family. Toad and Toadnets.
Toad and Toadette.
Okay, so are they all the same, like mushrooms?
Yeah. But they have different abilities.
Uh-huh.
The
Can
green
you tell
one-
me about them?
The green one could give you a life.
Okay, like one up.
And this one could kill you.
It kill you? Is it a poison one?
Yeah.
Okay, so this color is to poison people. This is to be one up, right?
Yeah. And this one shrinks you.
Shrinks you? What does that mean?
Shrinks you?
Oh, it makes you smaller.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like this.
Uh-huh. Then you turn into a small one.
Yeah.
Then you can go under like small space.
It's like turning small.
What about them? Do you know about them?
Yeah. The mushroom people. They're basically the henchers of Princess Peach.
So you told me before that he protects Princess Peach?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And what does she do? Is she in the game?
She's the wife of the Toad.
Mm-hmm. So they hang out together, maybe?
Yeah.
Alright, so thank you so much, Kings. Do you like this game?
Yeah.
Maybe tell I really like this game and what do you play them? Like which games do you like the most of Super Mario?
I like Super Mario Maker.
You like the Maker?
Yeah.
And what console do you play with?
That's Nintendo Switch.
The Nintendo Switch, and you have the Super Mario Maker?
Yeah.
Cool. So overall, which one is your favorite character?
These guys.
These guys. Oh, I'm surprised because to me, I love Super Mario the most. It's like he's everywhere. But you like them more.
Yeah.
And then when you play with the Super Mario Maker, you use them to trap him all the time.
Yeah.
Alright, so I learned a lot today. Did you have fun too?
Yeah.
Alright, so thank you so much. And don't go away because we're gonna come back and we're gonna learn how to make this one. Are you gonna join me?
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.